Okay, how to make your rubber plants bushy. I know some of you planted or have bought a rubber plant that is only one stem, like this one. You can plant it and it's only one stem. How will you make it bushy like this? Like you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 to 5, 6 branches. A lot of my friends, when they came home, when they come to my home, they usually ask me, how did you do it? Okay, this is the secret. As you see here, I cut here, and before this is only one stem rubber plant. But what you can do is actually you cut. When you cut a certain area, that area, it will create 2 to 3, even 4 branches. So as you see here, it created 1, 2, and 3. So it has 3 branches now, and down there it still has this one also. And why? It's because when you cut from here, it's not only that this one create branches, it can also create here. And it's because the nutrients will not focus on the main stem growing very high. So that's how simple it is. And this kind of method, you can actually apply it to any kind of plant that you want it to become bushy or to create more branches. And in that way, your plant, specifically now we're talking about your money plant, will be a bushy money plant. And it will look nicer. And it's because it doesn't only grow like one stem going up, but it will create a lot more branches that will make the plant more bushy. So if you look at here, I have one stem here that is growing already like 2 meters. This one is a candidate of cutting. So what I can do here, I will not do now because it's winter here in Sweden. So I will do it when it will be spring or summer. I can only cut here, that area you cut, and then you plant that part of the plant. So you create more plants, and your main plant will be creating much more branches. See? That's how easy it is to make a plant bushy. And we're not talking only rubber plant. You can do it for different kinds of plants where you want the plant to grow more branches and make the plant bushy and nicer to look. I hope I was able to help some people who is wondering all about plants, how to make it bushy, how to, to propagate more. So propagating more from one plant and at the same time you make the plant bushy is as simple as that. Thank you for watching. This is Evelyn of Liba Buhay, and see you again next time.